A traveling companion hears a lo-fi coo, and shadow darkens his brow. I hate that bird haunting me from day one, always over my left shoulder, gray spectre on edge of picture. But when evening passes and I'm not hearing her low mourning dove moan, I wonder for a moment, am I asleep or just alone? It's no eagle, imperious. It's not a raven, mysterious. Not even skylark, curious. No, just always over my left shoulder, gray spectre on edge of picture. But when evening passes and I'm not hearing her low mourning dove moan, I wonder for a moment, am I asleep or just alone?